I hear you, sis. So, in today's video, I am ASMRing for the first, that's clickbait, second time. This was filmed after I filmed the rest of the video. Spoiler alert, we end here. So now I will roll the clip of me reacting to ASMR for the first time. Okay, hey guys. So, this is gonna be a little bonus clip. Cardi, I just received the Blue Yeti that I purchased. It's actually right here. And I wanted to capture my live reaction, so I'm gonna angle you over here so that you can get my reaction. It's currently on, the volume is all the way down, and I'm gonna record it so that you guys can hear what I hear. So this is my first time listening to it in ASMR. Okay, so I hit record and I just raised the whole, my god. This sounds so crispy. Oh my god. It's still so weird. Ah. Oh my god, wait. Wait, what direction is it in? You can hear me rubbing my pant. Oh my god. Some silica gel. Okay guys, keep on rolling. Okay guys, bye. How was it? Is your jaw dropped? 'Cause mine surely was. So now let's roll the clip of the thing I'm doing next. And no, the title is not a joke. There is a MUCKBANG. So let's cut to that. Bye. Okay, you can stop now. Hey guys, sorry if you can hear cars in the background. Is this how you do it? I don't know. Okay. So, I've gotten a request to do an ASMR video. And so, you just saw my reaction to it thumbnail. Okay, that's a pretty good option. Oh my god, wait. I've always wanted to do this. It is, I think it's called ice swirling. It's where you take a glass of a liquid with ice and you swirl it around. I heard that it sounds really cool, so I'm gonna do that really quickly. Sit tight. It's not like you're going anywhere, so PR pieces. Bye. Can you hear that? I accidentally left the water running, but I'm gonna take the microphone over there. Let's go. Isn't that interesting? Hi. Hi. Oh my god. It seems as though my kitchen, this area in particular, has now become a popular part of my videos, because I've been here twice already. So, oh my god, wait, can you hear that? Wrong one. That's enough of that. Let's see what we can find in here. Crunchy. Let's recruit some help, shall we? I am now in front of Christmas tree. Yes, I am aware that it is January 25th as of you're watching this. I don't give a fuck. You heard me. Surprisingly, it's not covered in glitter, so that's a plus. Let's go over to some couch cushions, shall we? We're at couch cushions. house. I choked on my own saliva. That's not in a good way. I don't want to knock this down, so like, you know. Grabando sonidos. Así mismo. Fuck. Okay. Oh my god. Mood. Okay. Let's go beyond our house and into our backyard. This will be an interesting adventure. Okay then. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna cradle you between my breasts. We are now in the outside world. I'm ridiculing myself on a, oh my god, on a new, oh my god. Honestly, TBH, I don't have a game plan for this, so we're just gonna wing it. Welcome to our backyard. This is a magical mystery place where I'm not used to coming. Oh my god. Did I rub off your paint already? Well, too late. I can't return it. I wasn't planning on it. So this is my headboard. It got screwed over by Maria. And so that's actually very satisfying. I get it now. I fucking get it. Okay, so that is all the time that we have for today. As you can see, being in the wild is not necessarily a good thing. So since I'm running out of battery, I'm gonna skirt my way back into that is not my bedroom. You do not know where I live. This is just rented for the shoot several times. Yes, Airbnb. Fuck, that startled me. So yeah, thanks so much. No, that's not my outro. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. Tell me in the comments down below, how are you feeling? I'm feeling very exposed. Tell me, would you like to see this again? Because I will gladly do it for you.